Hello. Welcome back to RadSystems Studio List Field Properties. My name is Tuzik. In today's episode of List Field Properties, we will learn how to configure the list field record format. There are many preset field formats from RadSystems Studio, which we group into three categories, starting from date format, alphabets, and number formats. We will go through some of them in this tutorial. Starting with the human date format, first, to enable this format, we need a field with date records. For that reason, I will make use product table list page date time field. Click on the format field record, select human date from the options provided. Publish project, preview project in browser to see the effect. The next property on the list is human time. Click on the format field record, select human time from the options provided. Publish project, preview project in browser to see the effect. Now field record is set to time format only. The next property on the list is human date time. Click on the format field record, select human date time from the options provided. Publish project, preview project in browser to see the effect. This property sets the field record format to date and time as well. The next property on the list is the format date. Click on the format field record, select format date from the options provided. Publish project, preview project in browser to see the effect. Format date property is one of PHP's internal functions. We can use some of its parameters like MLDY and so on. Publish project and let's take a look at what changed. The next property on the list is the relative date. Click on the format field record, select the relative date from the options provided. Publish project, preview project in browser to see the effect. Now field record is set to time format only. This option displays the calculated field date record in relation to the current date and time. The next property on the list is UC words. First, to enable this property, we need a field with text. For that reason, I will make use demography table list page info field. Click on the format field record, select UC words from the options provided. Publish project, preview project in browser to see the effect. Now first letter of each word is capitalized. The same applies to UC first properties. Jumping to STR to lower field format, will change all the text from the selected field into lowercase format. Click on the format field record, STR to lower from the options provided. Publish project, preview project in browser to see the effect. Let's do the same to the next property, STR to upper, select STR to upper from the options provided. This property sets all text to its capitalized format. The next property on the list is STR truncate. This property helps to shorten the number of text characters in a field. To enable it, click on the format field record, select STR truncate from the options provided. By default, it's set to 50 text characters. Publish project, preview project in browser to see the effect. Let's shorten it more by setting it to 20 characters alone. Jumping to number formats. I'm going to use approximate in reference to the rest. Let's use the total price field, Let's update it to decimal places. Now let's enable field record approximate property. Select a table field set to integer or numbers, click on the Format Field Record, select Approximate from the options provided. By default, it's set to 2 decimal places. Publish project, preview project in browser to see the effect. Observe we have only 2 numbers floating as a decimal. Let's change it to just 1. From the Format Field Record Approximate options, change the value from 2 to 1. As we can see, it's been approximated to 1 decimal point. Jumping to currency property. We can achieve this using approximate property. Click on the Format Field Record, select approximate from the options provided. Now type a single quote, followed by the currency abbreviation value. I'm going to use USD dollars, space, followed by another single quote, then full stop point. Publish project, preview project in browser to see the effect. We can still change it to any other currency we want. Now we have learned how to configure the list field record format. In our next tutorial, we are going to learn how to configure field footer expression. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do. For more tutorials like this, don't forget to like and comment below. Thank you.